Oh, mute dude. We are on the Dunes Drive going through White Sands National Park. There's an area up here where the pavement's going to end and you just drive on the sand. Right. Today's adventure, we are in White Sands National Park. Annie's standing out in her dark clothes against the white sands out here in the dunes. We're on what's known as the boardwalk, heading out into the dunes. A little bit easier to walk and you don't get covered in sand the whole time. But so far, it looks amazing. Coming up on the end of the road where the Dunes Road ends, the paved area at least, and then you just drive on the sand from here on out. Wow, the sand is like sugar white. Starting to see a lot more snow up here. Now Cloudcroft is a ski area, or close by it at least is a ski area. And then Ruidoso is not far from here either. Oh, mute deuce. Today's adventure is we're in Carlsbad at the Carlsbad Caverns National Park, and we're about to go in and start exploring. A few hours later we'll pop out and head to the Guadalupe Mountains for another adventure. Okay, welcome to Carlsbad Caverns. Are you excited?
Yeah.
We did not sleep great last night. It was like a hurricane force wind blowing for most of the night, and we're boondocking at a place called Sunset Reef Campground. It's a BLM land. Anyway, we didn't sleep great for most of the night, and today we've got a big...
Well, you know me.
Okay.
You
I sleep great. yeah, I stand corrected. All right, so we got a big itinerary today, and if we do all of our itinerary, we're not going to be back to our campground until well after dark. Check it. All right, we have to keep our voices down because apparently it carries a quarter mile in these caverns. We're just starting our hike toward the big room. And I hate to already compare this, but we did Longhorn Cavern State Park in Texas, And this is already just head and shoulders beyond anything in there. Oh. Jeez, look at the size of this cavern. This is not even the bigger one. Scale of this place is beyond anything I imagined. I mean, I'm looking out in the distance and I can see 150 yards probably. It's massive. Just gonna give you an idea from floor level, which we're just on the walkway. We're not even in the lower part of the cave, but that's a good 100 feet high. And then if you pan down, there's pits down there that are 20 feet below where we're standing. Wow. Look at these formations. Holy crap. That's beautiful. That's an amazing formation. Incredible stalactites. Nee, was ik uit de Carlsbad cavern? We have actually seen an outdoor version of this exact same mineral deposit in Pamukkale, Turkey, where it looks like it's ice sheeting down. Every curve you take on the walkway exposes something you just can't imagine. Like this goes back into another cave system. Got this little stream that runs right through the cave. Incredible to see something that took millions of years to form, one drip at a time. After 3 miles worth of cave walking here, my head got too hot, had to remove the hat, but man, this place is just beyond anything I've ever imagined. Definitely worth making a trip down here.